magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. At syempre ngayong araw na ito ay gagawa tayo ng masarap na dessert. Tatawagin natin tong peaches na ref cake. Ayan. Of course, we'll be using, of course, instead na yung usual na crackers na ginagawa natin ay ito yung gagamitin natin for filling ng ating gagawing ref cake later. Pero dito natin yan gagawin. Hindi ba? Kaya nga naman ako naman din sa inyo, share ang video na ito. Yan. Para tayo ay umabot sa how many na?
500. We only have 39.
Yeah. So dito na sa na. Marami na nanonood sa atin. I-share
83.
Yan na. Hello pa rin po sa inyong lahat na nakakaloka to the highest level. Yan. Diba? As in, yan. Aba, in fairness, ang dami kaagad.
109.
Yes, we'll be doing a ref cake na lalagyan natin ng medyo masaya ito. Yan. For the meantime, hello po muna, magandang tanghali. As you can see, ang ganda ng aking shirt. Yan, bangon Cagayan, of course, para pa rin sa ating mga bangga out there dyan sa Cagayan, di ba? Let's share pa din, hindi ba? At, yan, eto na, masarap na. Can you get a condensed milk sa ref, please? I forgot. Hello pa rin po sa lahat, pa rin po nang nanonood sa atin. Masarap na dessert ang ating ginagawa for today, hindi ba? Kaya nga naman, eto, nasisimulan na natin. I-share ang video na ito kung gusto niyo may matutunan kayo ng bonggang-bongga, hindi ba? Kaya nga naman, yan, dahil ang sinabi ko ay road to 500,000 followers na tayo. Kaya nga naman i-share ang video na ito at ng inyong makita kung paano nga ba natin gagawin ang simpleng, ref cake na ito, hindi ba? Now, my scissor is missing, baby. And can you get the can opener? The one that I've been using for the longest time. Oh, diba? Hello pa rin po sa inyong lahat, sa lahat pa rin po nang nanonood. Masarap po ito na na light hack. O, diba? Gagamit tayo ng crackers na ito. And of course, yung ating friends from Tiger Crackers ay nanonood. Of course, kay Miss Diana Francilio, Miss Diana, gagawa na tayo ng masarap. And as promised, dahil umattend tayo nung minsan na kanilang product launch. Ito po yung kanilang nilaunch. Yan. Thank you, baby. Yan, nilaunch itong Tiger Crackers na may iba-ibang flavors na ito. Kaya nga naman, as pinramis ko sa kanila na i-feature natin sila for our lasa ni Sisa, hindi ba? Kaya nga naman, eto na ang masarap. Yan. Paano nga ba natin gagawin? First, gagawa na tayo ng masarap na, pinaka-feeling. O, diba? So, hayaan lang muna natin siya na ganito. So, gagamit tayo ng, what is this?
That's cream.
Okay. Gagamit tayo ng cream na kailangan natin siyang lumapot. Yan. Instead na gagamit kasi tayo ng whisk, ito na yung gagamitin natin. So, para lang magkaroon siya ng masarap na feeling.
You already put it over.
Yes, I know.
And we're gonna use this again?
Yes. We'll use that also. Yan. Kasi kailangan medyo umangat-angat ito. So, eto na siya. And then, hello pa rin po sa lahat pa rin po nang nanonood sa atin. Keep on sharing this video. Yan. Ay. Kaya na natin siya.
You have to clean it up.
Yes, later na lang. We'll clean that up.
Yeah!
Later. Oops. Ayan. Para hindi putol yung ating ulo kasi nakikita natin video dito sa kabila.
Nakita yung hair.
Wala akong hair and head. So, 1.5. Yeah, can you pour this, please? Yan, di ba? Eto na lang. Slowly, I will wash my hands.
Well,
Finish.
that's already done.
Yan. Thank you, Rofi.
You're welcome.
Ninja Rofi.
Yeah.
His name is Ninja Rofi. Yan. Please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. On Facebook, it's Kapitana Sisa Official. On IG is Kapitana_Sisa. And of course, on my YouTube channel, Kapitana Sisa. Di ba? Kaya naman ang saya-saya lang. Di ba? Send to Messenger. And we'll send this to my friend. Yan. So, ayan. They're watching na. So, eto na yung gagawin na natin na next is we'll be putting the condensed milk. Condensada. Whipped cream po ito na 1.5. Later, I'll be needing your help.
Yeah. Yes, I got it.
Yes, I got it right.
It's going down now. Bye-bye.
It's okay.
Ooh.
Can you get me a teaspoon, please?
Okay, I'll be right back, guys.
Yan. So, lalagyan natin siya ng condensed milk. Para, yan. Para masarap. So, yung ating whipped cream ay kailangan lang natin i-blender para medyo yung texture ng kanyang cream ay yan. So,
Yeah! Went off.
kaya yan, we'll be making a ref cake. Do you know what a ref cake is? Slowly, baby, your eyes dun sa tinta. So, this is what we do.
Bye-bye. Condensada got bus.
Yes, of course. Para lang humalo lang siya ng bonggang-bongga. Ref cake po yung ating ginagawa, ha? Ayan. So, eto na. Sasara na natin siya.
Then we're gonna mix.
Yes. Kasi instead na i-whisk natin,
We don't have actual whisk.
yes, we don't have.
We're gonna
So,
whisk it.
i-pan natin dito, baby, para ikaw yung mag-press dun sa blender. Yan. So, nandito yung ating blender. So, you transfer it here.
Okay, I'll be right back. 1 second.
1 second talaga. Yan.
Transferred.
Correct. So, sealed na ito.
Now we're gonna put it down.
Yes. And then, oops. Sige. Follow the arrow. Yan. Yan. Very good. And now, what we're going to do is we're going to pour our peaches. Favorite to ni Gav, Rofi.
Need a rofi.
Favorite na to. Enough. Let me see. Sige, more. Kasi wala akong panghalo ng gano'n. Kaya, yeah. Sige, patingin. Let me see. Oh. Sige pa, more pa. Yeah. There's a lot of peaches inside. There's 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces. So, all in all, parang apat na buo siya na peaches na, pero pag ni-slice ng 8 pieces siya per can, diba? So, sige lang. You keep on, see, hindi na na-shoot.
There we go, guys!
So, ang gagawin na natin is we're going to slice. Yan. So, usod lang natin siya para makita nyo kami ng bongga. what we're going to do is we're going to slice our peaches. Yan, tabi na natin to. Of course, mamaya yung ating tiger crackers yung ating gagawin. Yan. Where's the teaspoon? I need this. Sige pa. Just press it. So, ang gagawin natin dito is meron tayong gagawin peaches na yan. So, gagawin natin siyang cubes. Diba? Yan, parang I think, sige pa, one more, last.
3, 2, 1. Abdian! Where's Abdian?
Sing.
There we go, Abdian!
Just follow the ano. Hindi tayo naririnig. Yan. Oh, by the way, yung mga, dun sa mga bagong sa mga bagong tune in lang sa atin, yung ating peaches ay galing po sa can na to, yan. Yung ating iniiwan. Yan.
Good.
Yes. I think that's enough.
Maybe.
Let me see the texture. Let me see the texture.
You can taste it.
No, I'm going to see na how it's like. Oh. Parang feeling ko a little bit more. Parang hindi pa rin natin siya na-achieve. Yeah. Continue to press it down.
Pretty see! Abdian!
You love peaches. So instead na puree natin itong peaches, in-cubes ko siya para mas malasahan. I think that's enough. Yan. And now, meron tayong lagayan here. Yan.
No, put the pieces in there.
Yes, no. We will put the crackers. We will put the crackers here.
I'm
Kasi,
gonna add the pieces.
yes.
Then this
Here na. We're going to get, yan. So, lalagyan na natin siya.
we're gonna
No, we're not going to crush it. Because we're just going to put there na. This is a leche flan flavor. So, it will add. No, you have to, like that. I think we need another one. This is a peaches wrap cake. Minsan nagagamit tayo ng ibang crackers, tinry natin gumamit ng ganito. And then ang kinaganda lang dito kasi pwede mo siyang gamitin in a way na gusto mo dahil yan, kung makikita nyo yung crackers nila ay may iba-ibang form na yan, lines kung saan mo pwede. Yan. Hatakin. Hatakin! No? So, what we're going to do is, ayaw naman pabukas. So, here. Wait, we're just going to cut this. Nakas natin.
like this,
Aha.
so I can fit.
Yes. Nakat natin siya.
Bye-bye!
Pag-fit siya doon.
Oh,
Yan. So, this one. Parang yan, ilalagay na po natin yung ating tiger crackers, pero ito na sira.
yeah.
Masarap na. yan? Sisira.
Sisira sa knife.
I know.
And that.
And then, we're
Put that
going to
one.
put this. Our, yeah, that's the thing on top.
Yeah, yeah. You're gonna see, you're gonna go down.
Yeah.
Crackers.
Yes.
Then we add peaches.
Yeah, help me. Yeah, let's scatter this like
Woo.
let's scatter this like that. Ganito lang po. Diba? Kung hindi available yung mga crackers na yung usually na gusto nyo gawin or yan, or inyong ref cake, pwede na po itong gawin. And then, we will put another crackers. Oh, dyan. Kasi parang pumatong. Get a tissue. Yan. So, ganyan po yung gagawin natin. Tapos, papatong natin ulit yung ating tiger crackers on top. Yan. Later na. Yes. No. Don't put it there. Taste their cracker. Sarap. In fairness, nagustuhan ng bagets. Napakastela ng batang. Pero nagustuhan niya. So, ito, i-chill natin later on. And then, we will try this. Para kahit pa paano, may masarap po na mangyari. Half pala, baby. Oh. Mali pala yung ginawa natin kanina. Yes, marami tayong crackers. Tapos, yes.
Bye-bye.
Here. Ayan pala, sakto lang pala siya. So, yung isang buo na ganito, actually sa container na to, yung isang buo na ganito and then yung half, para mabuo po siya as one. Sarap, no? And then, we're going to put this na on top.
Now, put back these.
Para talagang suwabing-suwabe siya.
Now it's solid.
Yan po. Peaches ref cake po using tiger crackers. Na legend plant flavor po yung ginagamit natin.
Peaches.
And then, we'll be putting this on top. Para medyo happy naman. We'll put this on top as in. As in on top. Careful with your hands. Ito po siya. So, magsa-slice tayo. Careful. Let's spread this on top.
Put it on top of the crackers.
Ay,
That. Put make it standing.
so that it would look and taste yummy. In fairness, masarap pala itong leche flan. Nagustuhan din ni Gab Gab. Oh my gosh!
Juice. I drink the juice.
Oh, you put na on top. Ay! Careful with your hands.
There we go. Wrappers, you can eat it.
Yan, diba? We will put everything on top. While I'm eating my tiger crab.
Yeah. And also my meat.
Para sa mga nanonood po sa amin, we're doing a ref cake. Peaches wrap cake na ipo-freeze lang natin mamaya.
Over here.
With peaches. Ay! Ay! Yummy. It is one of his favorite ng peaches.
Yeah. Went in. No chance.
Yeah. So there's one more.
Ta-da!
Yan. So ngayon ginagawa natin ngayon, hindi lang ibig sabihin po nito ay meron tayong, yung pag ginawa natin is, yung ibig sabihin lang nito, kapag ka ginawa natin ay, hindi naman necessarily na pag gumawa tayo ng ref cake and yung ibang brands lang.
That's good.
Actually, any crackers, even the Tiger crackers will do in doing this, diba, na sa iba't ibang putahe. And, malay nyo, diba, in the near future, na, alam mo yung makatrabaho natin ng Tiger crackers, yun lang, para makakagawa pa tayo ng iba't ibang klase na kung ano mang pwedeng dessert na po pwedeng gawin dito sa ating, yan, lasa ni Sisa, diba? Right? And stop eating. Sorry. Yan. And there you have it. Our Peaches Ref Cake is ready for, ayan,
That is it.
for the freezer to be freezed. Ayan. Ganyan lang po kasimple yan. Of course, meron lang kayong mga crackers, diba? Depende naman po sa mga gusto nyo. Pero, I prefer this. Masarap po itong Tiger crackers na lechon flan flavor nila. Diba? You like it? Diba? Yan. So, approve ng bata na kumakain. Kaya kung ako naman sa inyo, try nyo. Available yan sa mga supermarkets nation. And of course, the peaches that we made, yan. Yes, available din po yan. Lahat sa supermarkets. Hindi ba? So, ganyan lang po kasimple. Here we go. Lalagyan na natin siya sa freezer and antay lang natin siyang ma-freeze para may masarap po tayong dessert. In the meantime, muli po ako si Kapitana Sisa. Maraming salamat po. And of course, joining me is...
Ninja Rofi.
At ito po ang isang portion ng ating Lasa ni Sisa. Dito po lamang yan sa number 106.7 Energy FM. Panggawa mo sabihin radyo, sabihin mo.
Energy. Bye.
Bye!